Hello everyone, my name is Dorukal Soğukkuyu, and today I'll be talking about how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of education through personalized learning. We all know every student learns differently. Some need more visual explanations, others prefer practice or discussion, but traditional education often treats all students the same. That's where AI comes in. It allows us to adapt teaching to each individual's needs, abilities, and pace. In this presentation, I'll explain what personalized learning means, how AI makes it possible, some real-world examples, and also the challenges and future of this approach. So today we will be talking about what is personalized learning, how AI enables personalized learning, the process, of it, real world examples, benefits, challenges, and feature of the AI in learning. So let's start. What is personalized learning? Personalized learning is an educational approach designed around each learner's unique characteristics. Instead of a single fixed curriculum, it gives students choices about how and what they learn. For example, a student who learns better visually might receive video lessons, while another might prefer text explanations or interactive exercises. AI system makes this easier by analyzing student behavior and adapting the materials accordingly. The main goal is to make learning more effective, more engaging, and less frustrating because students work at a pace that actually fits them. So, how AI makes it possible? Artificial intelligence can process huge amounts of educational data, far more than a human teacher can track manually. It looks at metrics like quiz results, time spent on questions, or even facial expressions during online learning. Using that information, the system can predict which topics a student struggles with and adjust lessons automatically. For instance, if a learner keeps making the same mistake in grammar exercises, the AI can identify the problem and provide simpler examples, extra practice, or even a different teaching style to fix the misunderstanding. This makes learning not only personalized but also continuous. It's constantly adjusting in real time. So, firstly, the AI collects the data, then recognizes the pattern, what you do wrong or right, and then gives adaptive feedback. If you do bad, it gives another example, maybe simpler one, as I told before. And if you do good, it gives a harder one. The AI learning cycle, the process of it. AI follows a repeating cycle when supporting personalized learning. First, it collects data from the student, every click, answer, or reaction. Then, it analyzes that data to detect learning patterns. Next, the AI adapts the lesson by choosing the right difficult level, format, or pace, as I told before. And finally, it gives feedback to the student and sometimes to the teacher as well. Over time, this creates a very powerful loop. The more the student interacts, the smarter and more customized the system becomes. It's like having a tutor that learns about you while you learn about the subject. So let's look at some real world examples. Duolingo, the popular language learning app. Most probably everyone knows or hears about it. This app uses AI to track your mistakes and adjust lesson difficulty automatically. If you are struggling with a grammar point, it repeats that type of questions until you master it. Dreambox. Dreambox Learning focuses on math for K to 12 students, which means kindergarten to 12th grade. It analyzes how children solve problems and changes the content difficulty instantly. And Kamigo from Khan Academy is like a personal AI tutor that helps students with hints and explanations, but it never gives away the answer directly. Squirrel AI and one of the largest adaptive learning systems in China, uses AIs to manage millions of personalized learning paths for students across the country. All of these show that personalized learning isn't just theory, and it's already happening globally. So, what's the benefits of AI in personalized learning? There are many benefits of using AI personalized learning. First, it increases student engagement. When students see lessons that match their interests and pace, they stay motivated. Second, it improves efficiency. Students don't waste time on topics they already understand, and teachers can focus on the areas that need real attention. AI can also provide real time support, instant feedback scenes, or resources whenever the student needs them. And finally, it helps teachers by giving detailed analytics and saving time on grading or progress tracking. In short, it helps both sides, learners and educators, to focus on what really matters, understanding and growth. So, of course, AI in education also comes with some challenges. Data privacy, for example, is a major issue. AI needs lots of data about students, their progress, habits, and even emotions. That information must be stored safely and ethically. Then there is algorithmic bias. If the AI system is trained on biased data, it can unfairly favor or disadvantage certain students. For example, if it's trained mostly on data from one country or demographic, it might not perform equally well for others. Finally, uh, we must we must be careful not to become too dependent on technology. But AI should assist teachers, not replace them. Human connection, empathy, and encouragement are things that no algorithm can truly replicate. Looking to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to play a larger role in education. But it's most important to remember that the technology is a tool, not a teacher. The best classroom of the future will be the ones where AI and humans work together. AI can handle data and personalization, while teachers can focus on creativity, emotional support, and critical thinking, the human side of learning. As the quote says, AI won't replace teachers, but the teachers who use AI will be replacing those who don't. That's the real future of personalized learning, collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for listening. To sum up, AI in personalized learning is about understanding students better, adapting education to them, and making learning more human, not less.